Respected management and principal, I hope your school and students are doing very good in academics. I would love to take this opportunity and introduce about Sqilco. What we do, what is our mission. So we are a team of passionate engineers, specifically software engineers coming from very good company, let's say Google, Microsoft, Snapdeal, Amazon, Netflix, IBM, EXL, etc. We have a single motto that we train the students on the top-notch technologies. It's not about the academics. It's all about the overall development of the student, starting from the very early days of their life. Let's say students who have just started with the technology, learning of the computers from class 6 onward. So we help the school to train the students in this technology.
Our aim is to foster logical thinking skills and problem-solving skills among the school students. With our curriculum, which is aligned with CBSE Skill Education Program, we bring on subjects like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, data science, AI/ML, and app development, game development. What's even more is working on real-life projects like building a website for your own school. We believe that in today's era, coding has become a necessity for everyone.
यहाँ पे हमें स्किल्को कंपनी से इंजीनियर्स पढ़ाने आते हैं। यहाँ पे हमें जैसे स्क्रैच में गेम्स सिखाते हैं, HTML सिखाते हैं। अब मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि जैसे कि अब मैं गेम्स बनाऊँ, खुद के गेम्स बनाऊँ और खुद ही खेलूँ और अपने फ्रेंड्स को दिखाऊँ। यहाँ पे इंजीनियर्स हमें हर वीक आते हैं, 2 बार क्लास लगती है और बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाते हैं। मैंने अपनी जर्नी स्किल्को के साथ स्टार्ट की। स्किल्को से हमें पढ़ाने के लिए कई सारे सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स आते हैं। स्टार्टिंग में पहले मैं गेम्स खेलता था तो मुझे लगता था ये कैसे बनती है और इसके अंदर कोडिंग की जाती है। एंड उसके बाद कई सारे टीचर्स आए हमें पढ़ाने के लिए एंड हमने स्टार्टिंग में स्क्रैच में गेम्स बनाई, एकदम लेवल नीचे से ऊपर तक लेके गए थे सर।
At this time the coding classes are going very much good and the student take interest in a lot of in coding class and yes, the result is very much fruitful and our parents are very much happy regarding the coding class since ever from the coding classes have been started.
Sqilco is a tech education company having its headquarters at Karnal, and the company is managed by top class IT persons who have got an excellent command over the profession, and this organization has been in touch with us, has been dealing with us for the last almost 1 year, and I find that the resource persons have brought a phenomenal change in the IT skill development of my students at Karnal International School. I'm very happy the way they have conducted the classes, and thereby the students in Karnal International School have reached a level where they can make their own softwares, they can make their own apps, and they are on the verge of taking big projects also. I wish this organization Godspeed in all their endeavors. Thank you very much.